water department came and installed our water tap. We've got a tap right here now, which is great. And so I'll be renting a ditch witch and running it up to the property way down there. Right now I'm waiting for an excavator to get delivered so that I can work on the septic. And here's the excavator coming now. Okay, we have the septic test pits dug. We've got our sign out for the health department. We've got our pits dug. Here's one. There's one over here. And then there's one a little farther down in the woods per their instructions. These also work as great shallow graves if we need to bury the bodies anywhere. So test pits there about 4 feet deep, about 6 feet long, and about 2 feet wide. So they are ready to go. Not sure what they're looking for. I'm assuming a fairly good soil that doesn't have too much clay in it, or not big chunks of rock or something like that in it, maybe. Other than that, I'm not really sure what they're looking at.
Since we rented the excavator to dig the ditches for the septic permit this day, Mike also made good use of the rental and removed more trees from the property. Next, we need to rent a ditch witch to run the line for the water from the road to our home site, which is about 3/10 of a mile. And we also need to rent a bulldozer to do the grading for our home site, the orchard, and the garden. So lots of fun stuff to come. Thanks for joining us on our homestead journey. If you like our channel, click subscribe below. Thanks. See you soon.